Ka Rumen Fitness Gym, ka jika kilanmet ka babiang tam Hanongpo Riboy District, ka badonru ya ki international equipments ki bakentuk ya ka sauna and steam bath, shower, lockers and functional area. Kadonru yak fitness program, group classes, bodybuilding, strength and conditioning, kettlebell workout, crossfit, animal flow, HIIT, powerlifting, but QA. Kailat yapi hakador kababit. Nakabanta ki jingtip babnya pun sheki number, nyo nriu saw iwe kendai not nriu nyo iwe not, but nyo not iwe kendai pra not sansan iwe ar. Ki bahi ngasem jong itemen masan DW Karshandi ibala bamkwai hedwar ublay kila pha ya kene ka khubor jingsongu shabaro ki balawan ban sngolam ha ka jingklat no jong i ha ka khatlai tarik manta upanai march arajar arphawai kene ka khubor jingsongu ki pha sha ki nong mikmat jong kumsning constituency UMDC jong kamahoti constituency kador barshonong jong kum saisning ki nong yalam jong kumsning parish bat ki kunhun baper ki ba omla shu banjar kerteng ya baro bat lengba jong kene ka khubor nakaliang jong ki bahaya ngasem ki pha ya ka khubor sngongu shabaro